This is the free Adobe Premiere Pro color correction to blue. Drop a like if this helps, let's go. Learn passive income concepts, click the link down below. Simply put, this fast tutorial, if you want to color correct your video clips or adjust the blue color, it's quite simple. Make sure you go to Window on the top left hand screen, scroll down and access Limitri color. In this case, it's on the top right hand screen. Underneath basic correction, you can see here you can adjust the temperature or the colors. But if you want to access or change to the color blue, go to creative. Underneath shadow tint, you want to drag this to the bottom right. As you can see, it's currently changing this to color blue. Click right here to access the preview. Another way you can change the color to blue is go to curves. As you can see, locate blue, and you can take this adjustment slider and move it to the right or down, as it adds blue if you move this up, and then it removes blue as you move it down. Same thing with these other settings, hue and saturation, you can add more blue, hue, etc. Simply put, if you want to copy this attribute, copy the clip on the timeline, go over here, paste the attribute. It now pasted that attribute of the color blue. This is the before, and this is the after, completely for free in Adobe Premiere Pro CC.